difference that we have compared to Antarctica and North America?
You hit my I have one.
Yes, Priscilla.
There is small insects.
That's right. Small insects. What about trees?
No trees.
No trees. And we've got some animals that I'll put their pictures up, but I wanted to show you guys what they are.
Penguins.
Oh, Ethan. There's seals that live in Antarctica. Byron. And what is this? An orca or a killer whale. That's another animal that is native. Okay. Oh, Camille just had a really great question. Some of you guys are talking so you couldn't hear her. I need everyone to sit back down on their bottom and sit crisscross applesauce. I know these are exciting and it's big stuff to learn about all these animals because it's kind of cool, but we have to be respectful and kind to our friends. Camille, can you say your question again?
Is a killer whale bigger than this class?
It is, and I'll actually look up how much a killer whale weighs, and then we'll look at it and see just how much it would weigh and how big it would be. But I'm pretty sure that it would be bigger than this classroom. They are really big animals. And what kind of penguin was this?
A female.
No.
A penguin.
An emperor penguin.
Emperor penguin. Like that
Emperor
one.
penguin. So these are all the animals that I'll put up here for our animals.
Does a killer whale? Does it kill?
I want to ask you guys a few more questions, Priscilla and Byron.
We forgot a polar bear.
Oh, that's right. I forgot a polar bear. We've talked a lot about how polar bears will live in Antarctica too. So, how do you think the animals would stay warm in Antarctica since it's so cold?
They have fur.
They have the fur. What was that, Camille?
Blubber.
They have blubber.
And you got blubber on him.
Well, the blubber is actually underneath their feathers or their skin. It's on their body. So you can't see the blubber, but it's there. And that's what helps keep them warm. Yes, Raphael. That's just their nickname. They're predators, so they do eat other animals.
Yeah. Why?
What do you think would happen if the animals didn't have any blubber on them?
They would be freezing cold just like us.
You think so? Do you think you could go live there and live outside all the time and not have blubber?
No.
Probably not.
We would probably be so cold.
That's right. So what we're going to go do in just a minute,
We would probably have not food.
well, you might be able to find some food there.
Like they eat fish.
Like fish.
Yeah. You can eat fish.
So, you know how yesterday I told you guys, listen, yesterday we talked about how we were going to do that really cool science experiment today. Well, today we're going to learn about how blubber keeps the animals warm. So I'm going to call a table over at a time in just a little bit, and we're going to actually get to feel the difference of having no blubber and then having blubber, and to see how an animal actually stays warm. So what I want you to do first is we're going to go back to your seat. Not yet, hold on. We're going to go back, and you're going to get your Post-it. Edwin, you're going to get your Post-it, and you're going to write down or draw a picture of one thing that you have learned about Antarctica that you didn't already know. So you could say something about how there is ice, it's sunny in the summer, in winters there's no sun, icebergs. You could draw your favorite animals. We've talked a lot about the animals. Okay, so you guys can go back to your seat now.